Hi guys, Shep from Tool Connection here. Given the current climate, we're unable to visit you at the moment with our tech vans. So what we're going to do over the coming weeks is do a few short videos and show you some products we think you may be interested in. Let's have a look inside the van. So the first tool I'm going to show you is this one here, which is a Serpentine belt tension pullback tool for PSA engines. Generally used in Peugeot, Citroën and in the Mini. It's uniquely designed so you can get onto the tensioner to pull the tension back. But you'll see on the head it's got a square drive and it measures about 14.5mm across the fats. So it makes it quite unique. This also comes with a locking pin to allow you to lock the tension back while you're working on the vehicle. So the next tool I'm going to show you is this one here. This is for removing drive shafts from gearboxes. It's quite unique in design. It's like a paddle. It goes on both sides of the drive shaft so you can evenly lever the shaft out of the gearbox. It's a simple tool but very effective. The next one I'm going to show you is this one here, which is a Deburr tool kit, internal and external. The Deburr tools and Chamfer tools. This small one's used on studs or bolts if you've had to cut one down or got a damaged one, so it enables you to actually get the nut back on the thread nice and evenly. So if you'd accidentally damage one while changing a brake disc or a drum, it enables you to start the nut very easily. Its larger brother that's also in the kit there. This will cover up to CV joint and stub axle size. So the same sort of thing. It'll allow you to do that and get you out of trouble. The kit also comes with an internal Deburr tool also. The next product is this little socket here. It's quarter drive, 8-sided, and it's specifically designed to remove the bolts on Renault inlet housings and throttle bodies. The next product I'm going to show you is part of our Power-TEC range, and this is a small pencil polishing tool. Air operated, flexible airline, comes with a lot of small detailing heads. So ideal for getting into places like under door handles, into mirrors. Also ideal for your car detailers out there, for getting into the areas you couldn't normally get with a normal polishing tool. Okay, that's it for today guys. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time. Stay safe.